Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Hope you are doing good and thank you for subscribing my channel. In this video, I'm going to make some scanner regarding ADR. So I'm just having the plan to create as a dashboard, not about a scanner. I'm just going to plan for a dashboard. With the dashboard, we can easily find out real-time trade opportunities. I think this particular scanner which you have created recently based on this trading view indicator on charting scanner that was working good. And what are the things which we are going to plan with this particular scanner or in the charting indicator. So this one is looking good. ADR 10 period and a 5 period which you have created. So from that area, so we are going to play with intraday as well as positional breakouts also be possible. But in this video, I'm going to discuss about an intraday breakouts and positional. I'm not going to discuss because we are not yet created the positional indicator. And based on this, how we are going to plan for this particular ADR indicator. So I'm just going to having a plan. So ADR 5 minutes, first one, and ADR 5 minutes selling side. So that means it is below to the ADR level in the first 5 minutes candle here, above to the ADR level. So those would be a pure intraday and quick scalping kind of thing because we are using a 5 minutes. Okay, so the second one which we are going to plan within 15 minutes time frame. So this is also be one more important thing. So 15 minutes also working better and the first 15 minutes. So first candle and here also be the first candle. And the sixth column which we are going to plan with 15 minutes bullish side as well as 15 minutes bearish side. So both which is happening any point of the time. Okay, so that should be happen any point of the time. So maybe in this case, the thing it is happening on second candle in Punjab National Bank, second 15 minutes candle, which is happening. So all this uh, customized indicator which I have already created, and by using that customized indicator, we are going to create an dashboard. So why dashboard is very important to track all the six scanners at one place. That will help you to find out a quick scalping opportunity instead of tracking each and every scanner. But if you are using a premium version on charting, the alert we can create and it will be sending you alert on desktop or it will be sending alert on your Telegram channel like that. But I'm using only free version as of now. So based on this free version, I'm going to create that particular scanners for ADR indicators. I think hope you are loving that scanner and many people who are inquired about the scanners. So not only the scanners, we are going to create many scanners if it is working better on our live trading. So that whatever the scanners which I have created that going to be updated on my premium charting group. That is a paid one time charges, and if you're interested, you can join on the group and you can access my previous scanners like a Camarilla, CPR, and Awesome Oscillator. So a lot of scanners which I have created earlier. So that is also be updated on that group. And whatever the new scanner which I'm going to create, there I'm going to update only. So even today I'm going to create this ADR scanner. This is also going to be updated on this particular group only. Okay. So don't ask for the individual scanners. I'm not selling any individual scanners. But if you have any customized indicator, if you based on your requirement, I can create for you. So if you want to more details, so just WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video. And if you want to access my group scanner, the one-time charges, so you can join with me. Okay, so let me go to start why the important on Atlas dashboard, we can track all the indicator at a single place. Okay, so like Cambrella levels which you have previously created. Okay, so now I'm going to create a dashboard. This may be a tutorial video if you want to know about the dashboard also. You just keep watching this. Don't skip and watch and you will learn. So create a dashboard and I can go to create ADR multi-time frame. ADR indicator multi-time frames. I have created a scans dashboard. So in this dashboard, I need to create an indicator. If you have a premium version, from your scanner directly, you can monitor on any dashboard. But I'm using this by creating each and every scanners one by one. Okay. So let me go to add your first one, and I'm going to start from fresh. Okay, so I'm not going to use it any default template. I'm going to start from fresh one. So here, what are the detail which I need to get it? Okay, so first one, I need to get about the closing price. That means LTP. So last traded price. If you are using a premium version, that would be automatically updated. So we will be mentioning as an LTP, and just run this, and whatever the stock which we are shown here, that will be available. So in this filter, I will use only future stocks. Okay, so I need, if it is a future stock, so which is having more than 34 184, so here I just use for maximum 150. So not all the stocks is going to be fulfill their condition, but 150 I just used for to find out opportunities. Okay, so here is the condition which I'm making, and the second one, I need LTP, which I got it. Okay, and the second condition, we need to get that uh, ADR highest level. Look at this. In this case, we have a perfect, both areas are same, but REC recently yesterday. Okay, so here we find two values, area, two values, but we need to get the which one is highest. Sometimes you look at ADR 10. In this case, it's 359.7. 5 is around 359.2. Okay, in this particular case. But some cases, ADR of 5 should be greater than the 10. So if you are looking at any other stock, I'll show you. Here you can see in this PFC, 5 should be greater than the 10. Previous example, which I'm looking for, 10 is greater than the 5. But current example, uh, 5 is sorry, 5 is greater than 10. So we need to find out which one is higher. So we need an important coding for that. Which one is higher? We need to get that one should be crossed above or closed below or closed above, something we have to condition. So that we need to do with only a customized indicator. So I can go with let me go to check whether it is working. I higher ADR. Okay, this one should be highest ADR. We'll just make this be right. So let me check any of this. We are looking for a PFC. We check this whether it is right or wrong. Here PFC 344.8. That is what 5 period. Perfectly. The higher value only it is calling for because of the customized one. And let me go for REC. 10 is the highest one. So we need to call for which is the highest level. REC 359.68. Hope you understood what is the condition which I'm discussing here. 359.70. That is what the highest one. That means exactly 68 is the calculation, and that is the highest one. Instead of 5, 10 is the highest one in this case. But PFC 5 is higher. Okay, so let's confirm that 5. Yeah, 5. So we got at the exact highest level comparing to the ADR 5 and ADR 10 average daily range. So we find out the topmost one. Okay, so we find this topmost one. This is the level when a stock price which is trading to above to the level. So we need to find out. So for reference, we get the ADR value. So run this, and this is what first condition and filters. So I'm just going to create a first one as a 5 minutes, that closing price of 5 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes, and that should be equivalent to 5 minutes. And that is what the first candle. So it never repaint first of all is greater than ADR I 10, right? ADR I 10 and 5. Yeah, this is what the right one. So here we should use at a 5 minutes daily. Okay. So if you run the scan, you will be getting stocks. What are the stocks in the top list? PFC, REC, and TPC. So in this case, the LTP and ADR value is mentioned here. So I need to filter out by starting by the LTP. Let me ascending right. Let me run this. Or instead of that LTP, we should use a percentage basis. Okay, we should use a percentage basis, and that should be a better one if you are using a change percentage. Maybe there is a formula which is available. So in charting, also let me go for change percentage simply, which you use. So those are the percentage change. Simply we can use the thing. So run how much percentage? 1% change. 2% change. Let me move those on the first one closing price. Okay, apart from the closing. Okay, so run and start by not ADB and percentage and descending. So run this. Which one is the topmost percentage? That's happening here. Start by change percentage something. So I'm showing. So first run this and add to the current dashboard. So 5 minutes ADR. Only one scanner if you have created. So we are using, yeah. So I think it's showing you. Let me edit this in the filters, chart, in descending orders, run and save. So that will be filtering out what are the stocks from the top list that would be shown here. Okay, so PFC and TPC and the ADR highest value also be mentioned here, LTP also mentioned here, and a change percentage. So here we filtered this particular thing based on the ADR values, and we can give you some colors. Someone was asking about how to give you a color. So LTP may be green in color, and the daily percentage change blue, and the ADR should be in pink, something violet. So run. Okay, it looks something good. Even this okay for a positive stars. See, then we got it. So let me replace this thing in a big one. We are going to track all the stocks list here in the scene. So and then I find out the 5 minutes ADR, and then we should focus. Oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. ADR, yeah, ADR multi-time frame. So those were the 5 minute stocks. From this list we can easily find out the stocks and what we are using on the scanner. That would be here it is mentioning what are the scanners which is available. So then I will show you for current dashboard one more scanner which I'm going to create it and go edit layout, and then I go to this like this. My student also understand how we can do this, and I'm going to edit this. And first of all, I'm going to change the colors because of the negative stocks, red and even red, bigger red. So to differentiate, we can use this and submit. Okay, then we can edit. Okay, the filters should be for here 5 minutes close, lesser than ADR low, ADR high, ADR low, ADR 5 and 10. Any of this 5 or a 10. So 5 and 10 the customized indicator. So let me run and save this scan. Only the stock which is filtered by the scanner that will be shown here. What's happening? We made some mistakes. Close ADR here, ADR lower value. Okay, run by the same stock which is shown here. Well, we'll try to create the 15 minutes close is less than. Okay. Only few stocks. See, so 5 minutes ADR, maybe here for a low. Previously, we should look for a high. Okay, so we created this. Yeah, HAL better not. Let me check HAL. And according to the market condition, also we can track HAL in the first candle, the low of this candle breaks, we can go for, but doesn't break. And Petronet, Hero Motorcorp. What's happening? Yesterday market is entirely positive. Hero Motorcorp, the low is broken at closing hours, not suitable for an intraday. Petronet, overall market gap of Petronet that was looking good. You can see that was closed below from the low 202. It came down to 200 level. Okay, so but overall market is positive. These are all the stocks which I'm looking for an opportunity, and we can run and save the scan as the name of ADR. ADR I from it. So we got simply we can track all the stock which is forming as such a pattern in this particular scanner itself. Okay, so no need to track for both. We can simply create the scanner. And what I'm going to looking for something, we can copy this one here. See, I need this one in the left side, edit layout into the board here, and I just enlarge it and save layout and edit. See, submit here, copy and dashboard. See, yeah, and again edit layout. So I'm not taking your much more time. So maybe this features also you need to understand how to create this and save layout. I just taking a 5-10 minutes and I will create this and area 5, and simply I'm going to use a 15 minutes time frame. Save this and simply we change it for a 15 minutes. I'll submit it. That is for a 15 minutes time frame. So in this case, 5 minutes REC not available. 15 minutes, these are all stocks like Cold Wall, NTPC. So let me check NTPC. It's a new one. NTPC on the first 15 minutes time frame. So after this high, so we got it. So normally when the stock is in the scanner, so you need to try for after the first 15 minutes high to break like a ORB strategy something. Okay, in this case, we are going to change only a 15 minutes. That's it. Less than ADR low. Save, submit. Sorry, one more time. I did, and we can go for save 15 minutes. Look ADR. Done. So for particular indicator which you have created, HAL, TechM, these are all the 5 minutes. In the top one of the 5 minutes and bottom one of the 15 minutes. Maybe we can change here color, something looks different in 3. Ran C. So and I'll go slightly different. And here again edit. So maybe here from something like this one, and this one. And C. So to differentiate, I think both are same but slight different. So if you want, we can. And final one is anytime. But if you are using anytime, so these two indicators, these four columns would not be repaint. Okay, so understood. This four would not be repaint, but what we are going to use it real time scanner that we are going to create now. So this is what edit layout. This one any 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So in this case, any 15 minutes time frame, if any stocks which crosses, okay, that I'm going to just create here. Save the layout, submit. This is the one, but here we need to code so some different ways. Edit here coding we need to do in the first 15 minutes, not a first 15 minutes. Here it is maybe a latest candle must be closed greater than, and same time the minus the latest candle close and open. Okay, that should be less than. Okay, so 15 minutes close greater than, the open is less than, and even more one more condition also we can add. Um, I 15 minutes minus one candle less than ADR I ADR 10 and 5. So daily we are using for a daily one. Brand and save. Yeah, these are all the stocks which is happening on recent time frame. So this is not about fixed time frame. So what happened at the exact candle? So let me check PFC and REC. Be there PFC. Think right. The condition which you have created. I think it's not saved. I think the same condition is mentioned here. 15 minutes close greater than and less than. So here zero candle, zero candle. Yeah, we got it. Only this stocks at closing hours. This is happening. Okay, so national aluminum maybe around 315 to 330 candle that is happening. Oh, you got it. So that is closed above to that level. So whenever it closes, and one more important condition which I'm going to add here that will help you to find out only the fresh breakout here the high of that particular 15 minutes candle minus 115 minutes candle would be less than high ADR. Here we should use daily because ADR value which we have calculated is C summit. So maybe we got a only trend. Previous candle which is lower to that, and this is what a breakout kind of thing. Okay, so range bound will be avoided. So such as this kind of candle and this kind of candle, so something like that which is avoided. Only the previous candle would be less than this and should be a breakout. And this particular scanner will tell you only the breakout time. Okay, so it is not going to tell you uh, whatever the time that which is going to break out, that real time only it is showing you. Back test is not possible. Okay, back test we can't do here because I think okay we change the color. So edit, taking time, at least you are learning something here. Okay, how to create a colors and how to change everything, you will learning something. Submit. So I should differentiate this with the simple color, and here also we can change some colors pattern. This one and this one, this one. Submit. So different colors to identify. So finally we are going to create this one. We can copy this in the current dashboard, save, and first we need to edit this. First I can should go for editing colors. This one and this one and then this one. Save, something slight different. Okay, I think we need to edit this. Oh my god. So we are looking at this one. First we need to edit a layout. This one we need to go down. Okay, that's okay. And here we can edit it because dashboard will help you to track easiest way. Okay, all the scanners at a single place. So in this case, edit. It's a negative now. Different colors. Okay. That's a negative selling side colors. So that's why. So finally, what we are going to do here, we need to edit this and formula. Here the 0 15 minutes candle, not a current candle. So close is less than and open is greater than. So we need to creating a conditions. Okay, open greater than and so the low of the particular 15 minutes candle. It's a real-time scanner creation. Maybe you learn something. Minus one candle should be greater than low area. Low ADR 10 and 5 and daily time frame. That's it. Save and submit. Let me check Delta Corp at the last candle, SBI Life under last candle. But here SBI Life, perfect. Previously is greater than and now it is less than. Okay, so we should find out what kind of candle. And one more thing, which is SBI Life and Delta Cup Metropolis. Delta Cup perfect previously is greater than, and now it is close less than. And finally we got it. So Metropolis, even we can create a perfect one also, previous one, and now it is closed, but it is happening 315 candle. If you are looking at this 4 scanners, now we completed the dashboard. So perfect one for that particular scanner. It is a 5 minutes, and looking for a breakout upside. So downside 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Here also 15 minutes downside, here upside. And the last one should be a last candle recently, which is happening. But if you are looking at the dashboard, only you can get the details. But you cannot get the backtest data. Okay, only those one possible. I hope you understood and enjoyed the session. And if you have any questions and doubts, you just ping me here. And maybe I'm going to practice something by using this dashboard on Monday, and I will let you update what is happening on end of the Monday. So I hope you enjoyed, and this scanner will be shared on, this particular dashboard will be shared on our premium group. Thank you so much. Thanks for patiently watching this video, and if you have any comments, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.